let us recap the previous session. In the previous session, we saw how the two sisters were doing different shapes with the matchsticks, and in that I told you all when two matchsticks they join, an angle is formed. Now to learn which angle is formed there, in today's session we are going to start with the activity, and that activity is that we are going to make a angle tester. Actually, angle tester plays a very good role. It helps us to estimate the angles, and we also can identify small objects. We all love to see where one angle is formed in smaller objects like in the worksheet if a figure is come. With the help of the angle tester, we also can find out which angle is formed with the help of the angle tester. So come on, let us start with the activity. First we will learn how to do the angle tester. Okay, first of all, I have taken here two card sheets. Can you see here two card sheets I have taken? Yes, we can tell them these two card sheets means this is one arm and this is one arm. These arms are also called as rays. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to take these two card sheets and just put it one above the other, and then prick a drawing pin into this. Right? You can prick it. I have made one smaller angle tester here. Can you see here? Yes, see here, right? These are the two cardboard sheets I have taken, and then I have pricked a drawing pin into it. Can you observe this? Wow. Now, what is an angle tester? I would like to show what is an angle tester. Angle tester means you can find this into your compass box. That is also called a divider. Yes, divider. But now we are not going to use the divider. You people are going to do this activity, and you are going to do this angle tester, which is going to help you to identify the angles in smaller objects, right? Okay, now I will start with the bigger angle tester, that is the divider. Now what shape can you observe here? Yes, this is a L shape. L shape means what? What angle formed here? 90 degree. Yes, it is a 90 degree. L shape means 90 degree, and 90 degree means a right angle. Yes, it is a right angle. Now, if I just bend this one like this, yes, it is less than 90 degree, right? It is less than 90 degree, and a angle is formed here. Okay, if I bend it still more, again it is less than 90 degree. Again, an angle is formed here. Okay, now. Yes, it is a L shape again. So it is a 90 degree. Now I put it outside. Now what angle is formed here? Yes, a bigger angle is formed here. So naturally that is more than 90 degree. Right? Yes. Again I bend it here. Again it is a angle is formed here, and it is more than 90 degree. Now I would like to tell you all, these are the two arms. Yes, we are going to do it with the card shape. This point is called a midpoint or a vertex. This is called a vertex. When two arms join together, an angle is formed, and this place is called a vertex. Right? Okay. Now I will tell you what we can do with these angles. What things we can measure. Okay. Now I will take my angle tester, the small tester. I have a triangle here. Can you all see this triangle? Can you all see this triangle? Yes, it is a triangle. If I keep this angle tester on this, now you tell me, is it a 90 degree or less than 90 degree? Yes, it is a less than 90 degree. Okay, now I remove my angle tester. Now tell me where an angle is formed in this figure. It is formed here. Very good. If I take this shape, now you tell me where it is formed. It is formed here. If I take this shape, it is formed here. See here. Two edges joining here. This is a midpoint, and here a angle is formed. So naturally this is less than 90. Again I am keeping my tester on this. Can you see? Really good. Now we come to the other shape here. Now this shape I keep my angle tester on this. Can you see here? Yeah. Now in this, what shape is formed? L shape is formed. Okay. So when L shape means what is the degree? 90 degree, and 90 degree is a right angle. Okay, very good. Now if I keep it like this and I put my angle tester out. Now tell me what angle is formed here? More than 90 degree. Very good. Yes, more than. In this a 90 degree is formed. In this less than 90 degrees formed. And here if I take bigger like this, again more than 90 degrees formed. Okay. Now even you can take this angle tester and you can see in your house which objects are less than 90 degree, more than 90 degree or exactly 90 degree. It is going to be a fun for you, right? Okay, now I will show you this scissor. Can you see this scissor in my hand? Yes, can you see? Yes, now tell me what is this? Can you tell me? Is it less or more? Yes, it is less than 90 degrees. See here, exactly, it is a V shape. Angle is formed here. Now if I keep my scissor in this manner, if I keep it in this manner, okay, I want to identify her. Now if I keep this straight here, I can assume this is a straight one and this is like this. So what do you think? It is less than or more than? Right, it is more than 90 degrees. See here, this is one arm and this is, we can assume this as a straight one. I can keep this on this for your evidence. Now see here, we can identify in this manner. I will keep my tester and now you can see. Can you see? Wow, this is one line and this is one arm. So that is more than 90 degrees. Yes. So there will be many objects in your house. So with this help of this angle tester, you can actually measure. Now we also can see on the board. I will just show you the drawing of a right angle. Then we can see more than 90 degree. Then we can also find out less than 90 degree. I would like to show you with the drawings. First take the scale, you can draw it here straight, right? And then draw one more straight here, line. Always use a scale, don't do it free hand, right? And then you choose the rays, these are the rays. For the right angle, we always put the mark like this. So this is a right angle where a 90 degree is formed. Now I take one more, I will show you less than 90 degree, right? Yes. Now tell me, this is less than 90 degree and you can assume this as a right angle, right? So less than. So here a angle is formed. For this we are not going to use this shape. We are going to do half circle to show the angle here. Now this is less than, this is exactly 90 degree which is a right angle. Yes, it is a right angle. This is less than, yes, this is less than right angle. Now I am going to draw. Which one I am going to draw? Any guesses? Yes, I am going to show you more than 90. Yes. Now where angle will be formed? The angle will be formed here. This is more than, right? More than 90 degree. We can assume this as a imaginary. See, I will just draw it in dots. Yes, can you see? This is a 90 degree. So naturally, this is a bigger than. So this is a more than 90 degree. Here it is less than 90 degree. So here it is less. So here angle is formed less than and this is 90 degree. Okay children. Now you, in the first session I had also showed you one fish, one cutout of a fish. I have it today also. I can show it to you. Now tell me, in this shape where all the angles will be formed. Yes, which shapes I have used here? A square, then I have used a triangle, then a circle, then the fins also are there, right? In this, now tell me, if you go to see where the angles will be formed, in this triangle shape, angle is formed here, right? Angle is formed here. Now tell me, this angle is less than or more than? Less than, right? Because see here, less than. If I put my tester also here, it is less than, right? Yes. Can you see here? You should put your tester on this and you can show the angle. You can find it here, right? Okay. Now, in these fins also, can you see here? You can find one angle here. Now, if you see this shape, what do you feel this shape is? It is more than, less than or 90 degree? I feel it is a 90 degree because if I take it this and like this. So here a 90 degrees form. So this is a right angle. It is not more nor less, because here it is a square shape and here a right angle is formed, and right angle is always 90 degrees. See here L shape. Can you see the L shape here? If I turn this fish like this also, again a L shape, again a L shape, right? Okay. So now you can identify in your house, in your surrounding, with the different angles. You will be having tables. You can make a bigger angle tester and find out different angles, more than, less than. So I hope you have enjoyed today, and everybody is going to do the angle tester and find out. Today we have in this topic, we learned 90 degree, that is L shape, and then we are also studied how to make an angle tester. I showed you all the divider also, which is found in the compass box. That is only an angle tester. And then I showed you all this right angle drawings. I showed you, less than I showed you, and more. I hope you all enjoyed today's session, and please do it on this, and we will also forward your small worksheet. Please do solve it. Be safe at home, and please do the worksheet. Thank you.